Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Good day, I'm Ronald Reynolds reporting a stabbing incident. In a house in the city of Bigan, Ilocos Sur, a heinous crime occurred that a 21-year-old man was involved. The neighborhood were having a drinking spree and by playing cards. The victim was identified as Raymark Ponce, 25 years old, single and a resident of Barangay Tamag, Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. The suspects were identified as Lauro Marzan, 25 years old, Glenn Rafisora, 23 years old, and Alwin Lasso, 23 years old. All of them are the resident at the same said place. Until cheating was done, Raymark Ponce suspected that he is cheated and made him angry and shouted his co-players and walked out. He went to Joshua, his brother, to help him to revenge and fight back the cheaters, but Joshua prohibited him to do so. Raymark was so angry that he returned back to his co-players, and his co-players faced him too, with Lauro holding a sharp knife and stabbed Raymark. Then they ran away from the crime scene and hide away. His brother Joshua arrived and saw his brother lying on the ground and dying, that he immediately rushed his brother to the nearest hospital. The whole incident was witnessed by Nico Miguel, neighbor of suspects, and reported to the Bigan City Police Station, who immediately responded to the crime scene. And according to the doctor of the hospital where they have rushed the victim, they declared dead on arrival. Just a game that resulted to a death of a person because of cheating. Once again, this is Rodel Redad saying, have a good day and God bless.